This is a remote controlled agricultural robotic robot. So this is the spray, 3 spray. That side, sideway, 2 sideway, left and right. This is the pump, 12 volt, 40 watt, 3000 watt vacuum pump. These are the movement having a 4 DC motor, 12 volt, 90 watt, 60 RPM permanent DC motor. Spurging mechanism, 1:5 ratio. Bearing 6202 ball bearing, shaft 15 mm diameter shaft. Wheel are 8-inch diameter rubber wheel. This is the water tank. This is the IR remote. This is the IR remote receiver. This is the power supply unit, 12 volt to 5 volt power supply. Arduino microcontroller. Fire relay, forward, reverse, left, right, pump on. This battery, 12 volt 7Ah lead rechargeable battery. Once you are recharging it, it will work on 30 minutes after that you got to recharge it. This is the 8-inch rubber wheel for all the wheel connections. So you want to connect the battery here. After connecting the battery, you want to press the button 1 for forward. Similarly, same button you are pressing off. 2 for reverse, 3 for right, similarly 4 for left. Next, 3 for forward, 5 for pump. Spraying the water. For pump. So this is the operation of the agriculture, remote control agriculture water spraying robot. So it will be water spraying the 3 sides. So this is the concept of the project. The frame are made of mild steel, 28-inch length, 14-inch breadth, mild steel along the frame. These are the spray nozzle, 3 nozzles. This is the PU tube. The battery is rechargeable battery. So these are the Arduino microcontroller. This is the remote control. So this is the concept of water spraying agriculture remote control water spraying agriculture garden robot.